Drink some water then. Stand on your head.
No, that, doesn't work for me.
We get on one knee and sing when we hiccup, and it's over so quickly. We do this kind of thing on the pink planet.
That's not all we do, is it? Gulp 10 times and make your eyes squint and it's over.
I'm sure that it works on your planet, but it doesn't work here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to cure your hiccups.
Don't make a joke.
Boo!
Blah! Stop it, Neşe. Yoo-hoo! Isn't anyone here?
Wait, don't run away. It'll stop if I scare you, I promise.
It's over, see? So don't do that.
Did you see that? It's not over.
It's over. Who would know better than I would?
Haha, don't make me laugh. That is a hiccup.
It's so not. It already stopped because of your surprise attacks.
Are you saying I did that to play with you?